Hey guys, so this is the final look, and I want to say that I used the bag strap to just wrap around this because the handle was looking too thin and cheap. So I used the strap of the bag to just wrap around this to make it look a bit fair and sturdy. Yeah, so as you can see is the bag strap I used. I wrapped it around, then I stitched it inside the bag right here. I just stitched it here. I used a black thread. So yeah, so the strap was looking really flimsy, so I decided to just use it this way. So yeah, so this is the end result of the bag.